Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate financial reporting with Fathom, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating financial reporting with Fathom, you need to create a free account on the Fathom website. Once you have signed up, log in to your Fathom account. Next, select the option to connect your accounting software. Fathom supports various accounting platforms such as Xero, QuickBooks, and MYOB. Choose the accounting software you use and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. After linking your accounting software, Fathom will automatically import your financial data. Now, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Fathom's dashboard provides a summary of your key financial metrics. To customize your reports, navigate to the Reports section in the menu. Select the type of report you want to create, such as profit and loss or balance sheet. You can adjust the date range to reflect the specific period you wish to analyze. Next, personalize your report by adding your company's branding and logo. Once you're satisfied with the look, save your report template for future use. To automate report generation, access the automation settings. From here, you can schedule reports to be generated at regular intervals. Choose whether you want reports to be delivered via email or exported in a specific file format. Set the recipients who will receive the automated reports. After scheduling, confirm all settings and save your automation preferences. You have now successfully set up automated financial reporting with Fathom. This process will save you time and ensure you consistently have up-to-date financial insights. Regularly check the dashboard for any updates or notifications regarding your reports. By using Fathom, you can make informed financial decisions with minimal effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.